Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got an exciting product to review, the YIER Bluetooth speakers. If you're on the hunt for the best portable party speakers in the market, look no further. YIER has packed some serious sound and features into these speakers, and we're here to break it all down for you. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what makes the YIER Bluetooth speakers stand out. These speakers are not your ordinary portable audio devices. They offer an incredible 80W peak output power with the latest in sound technology. With 2 full-range drivers and 2 tweeter drivers, these speakers have been expertly tuned by professional audio engineers to deliver enhanced bass, crystal clear highs, and tight mids, all without any distortion, no matter the volume. What sets these speakers apart even further is their advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. You can easily pair 2 YIER Bluetooth speakers to get an impressive 160W stereo surround sound. Imagine having a concert-like experience right in your home, backyard, or at the beach. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about the party aspect. The YIER party speaker comes equipped with the latest bass-up technology. With just a press of a button, these speakers pack a punch that can fill the entire room or your outdoor party with music. And it's not just about the sound. These speakers come with an excellent rhythm light show, adding that extra flair to your gatherings. Get ready to make your parties shine. You might be wondering what makes the perfect speaker enclosure. YIER knows the answer: wood. These speakers are designed with wooden enclosures because wood is naturally non-resonant, resulting in minimal distortion. It has a high density and has been used for centuries in musical instruments to amplify sound. So, you can trust that a wooden enclosure will naturally sound good. The YIER Bluetooth speakers come with a 12-month warranty and 24-hour online customer service, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. With 4 high-capacity rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy 4 to 18 hours of battery life, depending on your volume and lighting preferences. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about how to pair 2 YIER Bluetooth speakers. It's as simple as turning on both speakers, long pressing one of the TWS buttons on both machines, and waiting for the prompt that says TWS paired. That's it. To sum it up, the YIER Bluetooth speakers are an exceptional choice for those who want the best portable party speakers on the market. With powerful sound, advanced technology, and a captivating light show, your gatherings will never be the same. And with a wooden speaker enclosure and long battery life, YIER ensures you get the best quality for your money. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in checking out these amazing YIER Bluetooth speakers, we've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our future reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.